These floor polishing videos are breaking the internet right now. Millions of views, and guess what? They're made using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI floor polishing videos using just one single prompt. You can post them on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. First, copy the full prompt from the link in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a list of different ideas like luxury modern living room, designer modular kitchen, premium dining areas, and many more. I'm choosing luxury dining area, which is option number 5, so I simply type 5. Now ChatGPT generates 4 image prompts, 3 video prompts. These prompts are specially designed for viral floor polishing style videos. Copy the first image prompt and paste it into Flow AI. Choose your aspect ratio and number of images, then click Generate. Within seconds, your first image is ready. Now repeat the same process with image prompt 2, image prompt 3, image prompt 4, and now we have all our images. Now it's time to create the videos. Copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI. Select frames to video mode. Add image 1 as the first frame. Add image 2 as the second frame. Then click Generate. Boom! Your first polishing video is ready. Now copy the second video prompt. This time, use image 2 as the first frame, image 3 as the second frame. Generate again. Repeat the same process for the third video prompt. Now we have all our video clips. Open your editing software. Import all 3 video clips. Arrange them in order. Add a slight zoom, smooth transitions, and some satisfying background music. And here is the final result. And that's how you can create viral AI floor polishing videos easily. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and comment below if you face any issues. I'll personally help you out.